Welcome back to my channel. This facial today is going to be a dermaplaning facial, and today I'm going to be beginning with my Casmara Multi-Action 3-in-1 Cleanser. This cleanser has great ingredients including the avocado oil as well as the goji berry extract that acts as an antioxidant and prevents the signs of premature aging. I'm going to work this gently into her skin. I have used this once before in another facial. If you would like to check that video out, it is going to be my latest Get a Microdermabrasion with Me video. This cleanser is nice, smooth, and hydrating. It is very silky. And right now, I am loving this cleanser for all of my clients. I've been reading everyone's comments as I said that I would. And so many people are commenting that they would like to see a ASMR video from me. Now, you guys, I've said it multiple times that I would possibly consider doing that type of video. You want to hear the natural sounds of the treatment room, the water, the steamer, everything. But as you can tell throughout my videos, my clients and myself, we have conversations, we laugh, we are listening to music, which could include copyright issues for me. So as of right now, I don't plan on doing any ASMR videos. I would just like for you all to enjoy the content that I am, filming and editing and putting out for y'all right now. As I wipe this cleanser off of her face, I already know that I'm going to be going in with the Green Tea Citrus Cleanser by SkinScript RX. The highlighted ingredients in this cleanser are grapefruit, lemon, and yucca. This green tea cleanser is going to be best for those who have normal to combination skin, also rosacea to sensitive skin. I allow for the warm towel to lie on the skin for just a short amount of time before continuing on and removing this cleanser from the skin as well. The product that I'm applying to her skin right now is the Lemon Zest enzyme from SkinScript. I am always raving about this enzyme and its brightening capabilities, and it's because it works and I love it. I do have the 20% lactic acid chemical peel to add to this, but being that this is our first treatment together and she is receiving a dermaplaning, I thought it would be smart to just do the lemon enzyme alone by itself. For all of my estheticians out there that are able to perform dermaplaning and use chemical peels and or enzymes in their treatment room, in what order do you like to use your enzymes with dermaplaning, before dermaplaning or after dermaplaning? After that is all cleaned off, of course, we already know it is time for extractions. I do perform the extractions before the dermaplaning, just because after the deep exfoliation of the dermaplaning, you don't want to really, put any unnecessary pressure onto the skin just because you have done like a really great exfoliation. My one and only favorite facial oil to use with dermaplaning is the Image Vital C facial oil. It is really light, it's not heavy at all, and it gives me a great slip to perform the dermaplaning. I know there's different, ways to perform dermaplaning, including dry planing, or some esties use iodine. This is my favorite technique. Y'all let me know down in the comments which works best for you. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself and my technique and everything about the whole dermaplaning treatment, because if you've been watching my videos from the beginning, I have voiced that dermaplaning causes me to become like super nervous, and without a doubt I still am, but I'm very, very confident in my technique now than I was in the very beginning, which of course, you know, happens with everyone. So yes, I have come a long way, you guys. I'm a lot faster with my service. I trimmed out a lot of this part of the treatment because this was the only angle that I had filmed, because my overhead camera was in my way. So I turned it off and, you know, just focused on, of course, treating my client. So this portion of the video goes on for quite a bit. For those that are interested in, you know, watching it fully, I appreciate that so much. For those that aren't, you can go ahead and skip forward and if you want, and continue watching the video. The mask that I'm applying to her skin now is the Gel Ormetic Balancing Mask from Image Skincare. This is one of my favorite masks to apply, especially after a service like dermaplaning, because the skin is so fresh and it needs to absorb all the, you know, nice and gentle ingredients and products into my client's skin. This Resistance Mask 2060 from Cosmara Cosmetics is made with marine algae extract, kiwi extract, and poppy seed. This mask has firming and stimulating properties. The mask stays on my client's skin for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. It is time for removal. I gently remove the mask and I apply another warm towel. Using my Cucumber Hydration Toner with heavy water and hyaluronic acid by Skin Script RX, I tone my client's skin, moving in with the Citrus Seed Nourishing Cream. This also has green and white tea complex. This is going to do great at brightening the skin and also hydrating the skin and moisturizing. No facial is complete during the daytime without some protection. So of course I'm going to be applying the Image Daily Protection Matte SPF. Wrapping this thing up with some Ormetic Lip Balancing Complex by Image Skincare. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching another video. Y'all let me know in the comments how you feel. Thank you so much. See y'all later.